How to sign in to the YouTube app on Android. Need to sign in to the YouTube app on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the profile icon. In the top right corner, tap the profile icon. Step 3. Tap Sign In. If you're not signed in yet, tap Sign In. Step 4. Choose or add your Google account. Select your Google account from the list. If you don't see your account, tap Add Account, then enter your Gmail address and password. Step 5. Complete verification. If Google asks for two-step verification, complete the verification process by following the on-screen instructions. Step 6. You're signed in. After signing in, your profile picture will appear in the top right corner. You can now access your subscriptions, playlists, watch history, and upload videos. That's how you sign in to the YouTube app on Android in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.